Welcome. Till now we have studied about addition of algebraic expression. Now we are going to study subtraction of algebraic expression. While doing the subtraction of algebraic expression, here change the sign of every term in the expressions to be subtracted and then add two expressions. Let us see. Here example I have taken 16x plus 23y plus 12z. We will subtract 99x minus 27y plus 14z. So first we will write in bracket 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x minus 27y plus 14z. Now here the sign will change. Here this is plus, so it will become minus, and this minus will become plus, and this is become minus. So we will open the bracket. So we will write 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x plus 27y minus 14z. Now we will take the like terms together. So here for taking the like term 16x, here it is 9x, then here 23y, 27y, and it is 12z and minus 1. So we will take the like terms together. So it will become 16x. Next x is minus 9x plus. Next we will take 23y plus 27y plus. Next term 12z minus 14z. Okay. So here 16x minus 9x, the answer is 7x plus 23y plus 27 plus 3 10 and 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1, so it is 50y plus 12 minus 14, it is 12 minus 14, it is see 12z minus 14z, it is minus 2z. So our answer is 7x plus 50y plus minus minus 2z. So this is our answer. Vertical arrangement we will see now. Vertical arrangement. It is 2z. Okay. So vertical arrangement, what it is given, 16x plus 23y plus 12z minus 9x minus 27y plus 14z. So here the sign will change. So this is plus sign, so it will become minus, and here this is minus, so it will become plus, and this is plus, so it will become minus. That we have to remember. This is plus sign, so this we are changing. And while doing subtraction, we have to see the change sign. Now see, plus minus minus, 14 is the bigger number, so minus sign, so it will be 2z. 23 plus 27 and the bigger number, so here plus plus plus, so it will be plus 50y. And here 16 minus 9, bigger number is 16, so plus, it will plus sign will come, so it is 7x. So in this way we can do subtraction of given algebraic expression. Let us solve the exercise now. That is practice set 34. Here question is given, subtract the second expression from the first. In first term, we have to subtract the second term from the first one. So we will proceed now. So first step, we are going to write down minus 3xy minus 16z. So here the sign will change now. So here this is plus, so plus will become minus, and here minus will become plus. So this is the change we have to do. So it will become now 4y minus 9z minus 3xy plus 16z. Now we have to take the like terms together. So 4y here 4xy, sorry, question it is given 4xy. So here, sorry, by mistake. So here it is 4xy, by mistake I have written xy x xy xy. So here it will become 4xy minus 3xy, okay, plus minus z plus 16z. So here it will become 4xy and y minus 3xy. Answer is xy. 4 minus 3, 1. So here minus plus minus. So 16 minus 9, the value is 7, and plus sign. Here bigger number is this, so plus. So 7z. Here question, it was given 4xy, by mistake I have written. So that was the correction. Now vertical arrangement we will see. So given question is 4xy minus 9z minus 3xy plus 16z. What we have, sorry, as it is we have to write down first, and then we have to change. By mistake again I have written. So what is given, that same question we have to copy here and show the sign changes. So here this is what, plus 3x, and this is given minus 16x. So now the sign will change of the second expression. So here it will become, this will become plus, will become minus, and minus will become plus. And while doing this change sign we have to see. So 9z plus 16z, so plus minus minus, sign bigger is, so it will become 7z. 7z and 4x minus 3xy, it is xy. Now we will go for the second one. Second, it is given 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus, we have to do x plus 2y plus 3z. So first we will write in the bracket 5x plus 4y plus 7z minus x plus 2y plus 3z. Okay, now open it, 4y plus 7z. So here the sign will change from here. So this is plus, this is minus, and this will become again minus. This is plus, so it will become minus, minus, minus. This is minus, this is minus, and this is minus. Okay. So here we will write minus x minus 2y minus 3z. So that is equal to, now take the like terms together. So we can take x together, then this z and z together, and y together. So it will become 5x minus x plus 4y minus 2y plus 7z minus 3z. So the answer is 5x minus x, 4x plus 4y minus 2y, it is 2y, then plus 7z minus 3z, the answer is 4z. Now we will do vertical arrangement. So given expression is 5x plus 4y plus 7z. We have to subtract x plus 2y plus 3z. So here this is plus. So the sign change will become now minus, minus and minus. So while doing, we have to see the changes. So 7 minus 3, it is 4z, plus sign will come. Then 4 minus 2, 2y, plus sign will come. Bigger number is 4, so having. And 5 minus x is 4x. So this is our answer. Now we will go for the third one. Third one, it is given 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. So we will do now. So 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. So now the sign will change in the second term. So from here the sign will change. So this is plus, so here it will become minus. This is minus, so here it will become plus. And here minus, so it will become plus. Okay. So we will write now 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square minus 26x square plus 8xy plus 17y square. Now we will take the like term together. 14x square and x square, then 8xy and y square, like terms together. So it will become now 14x square minus 26x square plus 8xy plus 8xy plus 3y square plus 17y square. So our value will be now 14, that is 26 minus 14, we will get 12, and bigger number is 26 which is having negative sign. So it will become 12x square. Now this is both are plus, so plus 8 plus 8, 16xy. Then again it is plus, so 17 plus 3, it is 20y square. So this is our answer. Now vertical, we can see vertical arrangement. So it is given 14x square plus 8xy plus 3y square. We have to subtract 26x square minus 8xy minus 17y square. So here this is without sign, means it is plus sign. So that we have to remember. So now the sign will be minus. Here it will be plus, second expression, and minus it will be plus. While doing, we have to see the changes of the sign. So now we will get 3 plus 17, we will get 20y square, and sign will be plus. 8 plus 8, 16xy, sign will be plus. 14 minus 26, we will get minus 12x square. So now we will solve the fourth one. Fourth one, the question is given 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square minus, we will do 16x square minus 17x square. So we will write 16x square plus 7xy plus 16y square minus 16x square minus 17xy. Now the sign will change. This is plus sign, so here it will become minus and minus will become plus sign. So we will do now. We will write 16x square plus 7xy plus 16y square minus 16x square plus 17xy. So now it is, take the like terms together, that is 16x square and 7xy and 7xy. Like terms we will take together. So it is now 16x square it is given 6, by mistake I have written 16. Okay, 6 I have written 6x square minus 16x square plus 7xy plus 17xy plus 16y square. It is alone. So 6 minus 16, it is minus 10x square plus 17 plus 7, it is 24xy plus 60y square. This is our answer. We will see vertical arrangement. This is 6, by mistake I have written 16. Question 6 it is. So vertical arrangement, 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square minus 16x square minus 17xy. So first change the sign. So without sign means this is plus, so it will become minus and this minus will become plus, and here nothing is there, so we have to write down as it is. So here 16y square as it is. 7 plus 17, the value is 24xy, plus sign will come because bigger number is 17 which is having now positive, and 6 minus 16, it is negative 10x square. Now we will solve the fifth one. Fifth one, it is given 4x plus 16z minus, we have to do 19y minus 14z plus 16x. So we will write 4x plus 16z minus 19y minus 14z plus 16x. So the sign will change here. This is plus, so become minus. This is minus, so it will become plus, and this is plus, so it will become minus. So now we will write 4x plus 16z minus 19y plus 14z minus 16x. So take the like terms together, that is x and z. Okay, so we will write 4x minus 16x plus 16z plus 14z and negative 19y as it is. So we will get 4x minus 16, we will get minus 12x. So plus 16 plus 14, we will get 30z and negative 19y as it is right now. We got this answer. Vertical arrangement. It is given 4x plus 16z minus, we have to do 19y, so 19y we will write here, and it is plus 19y minus 14z and 16x plus 16x. Okay, so we have to write down like terms below the like terms, and this is plus now, so it will become minus, and this minus will become plus, and this is plus, so it will become minus. So we will get minus 19y. So 16 plus 14 we will get plus sign, that is 30z, and 4 minus 16 we will get minus 12x. So here we have completed practice set 34. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.